Today I share with you all this super simple, delicious, amazing dirty rice recipe. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I'm going to start by cooking the rice. I just added a little bit of oil into the pan and allowed to heat up slightly. I go in with the rice and I'm going to toast it for about 2 to 3 minutes just to add more flavor into the rice. Added a little bit of salt into the rice and I keep stirring together for another 30 seconds. I will go in with the meat stock. The meat stock is well seasoned, alright. If you want to add curry and thyme into your rice, go ahead and add it, alright. Added enough water to cook the rice. Give everything a quick stir, cover it and allow to cook. While the rice is cooking, I'll go ahead and prepare the base for the rice, which is basically minced beef, alright. I just added a little bit of oil into the pan, add some chopped onion and I added the minced beef. I'm going to stir fry it until the meat is golden brown. The meat is almost done. At this stage, I'm going to go ahead and add all my seasoning, alright. I just added a little bit of tomato paste, some scotch bonnet pepper, add pepper according to your taste, curry, salt and some smoked paprika, seasoning cube, thyme and oregano, and I'm going to add some garlic as well. And I will go ahead and add the chopped tomato, alright. For this recipe, do not blend your tomato. If you blend it, it's going to turn to jollof rice, alright. It's going to be looking like jollof rice. And here we are not cooking jollof rice, alright. We are making dirty rice, alright. Just chop up your tomato and throw it inside the meat, alright. Stir everything together until they are well combined. Add a little bit of water, just a tiny bit of water, to cook the tomato and the spices with the beef, alright. Cover it and allow to cook. Few minutes later, I came to check on the sauce and it's looking so beautiful already. I just give everything a quick stir. It is not done, alright. We are going to cook it till all the water dries out, alright. I just come back to check for seasoning. I tasted for seasoning and everything is perfect. All I'm going to do now is cover it back and continue to cook till all the water dries out. We don't need water inside this minced beef, alright. We want it to be very, very dry. At this point, the sauce is perfectly cooked. I'm going to go in with the rice. Just throw in all your rice, alright? Or you can be adding the rice little by little if you have a lot of rice. But I don't have a lot of rice. I'm just going to add the rice at once. I'm going to stir everything together until they are well combined. And you guys, you need to go and try this rice dish. It's super simple to put together and it's absolutely, absolutely delicious. Forget that they call it dirty rice. There is nothing dirty about this dish. You guys, it tasted absolutely amazing. Once I stir everything together really well, I just cover it and allow everything to fry together for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it, guys. It is super simple and it's so delicious. To make it more colorful, to make it more delicious, more beautiful, I just added some chopped red bell pepper and a green bell pepper and some onion as well. I also add some onion and that is it, guys. Give it a final good stir and it is ready. Go ahead, serve it and enjoy. It's so delicious. You need to go and give it a try. I present to you super simple, delicious, beautiful, amazing dirty rice recipe. It's super simple to put together and it's so delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for the love and support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.